What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Charmeleon from Pokemon. Let's get started at the top left side of our page with the upper eyelid. Starting down here, we're going to draw a curve going up and then out. Let's go back to the inside, step up, draw a straight line going back towards the back of the eye. Let's round out the side of the eye. From the top, we're going to step in, just going to round this out, pull that in towards the bottom. Now I'm going to go to the inside and draw the iris. Starting from the top, draw a half oval, coming down and then back up. Let's add a small highlight along the top of the eye. Start with a half oval, coming down and then up. And then we'll move over and draw another small half oval for the pupil. And then we'll fill that in black. Now from here, we're going to work our way over towards the front of the head. From the inside corner of the eye, we're going to step up, draw a curve, going out and then up. Step over and draw that twice. Move over one more time, draw the edge of the head, going out and then up. And then from here, we're going to work our way down towards the mouth. Starting from the bottom, curve the beak going out and then down. Curve this down and then back in towards the bottom. Let's draw a short angle line going up and in. Go straight across towards the back of the mouth. And we'll just curve that back up towards the top. Let's go back to the front and add the nostril. Draw a short curve going up and then in. From the tip of the beak, step up, curve the head coming down and then in towards the chin. Curve this up and then in towards the neck. Let's go back over towards the left side and draw the edge of the eye. Just going to curve this out and then in. Go back up to the top, curve the head going up and in. And then we'll add another bump, curving up, and just pulling that back towards the right side. Now from here, we're going to add that large point in the back of the head. Starting up here, curve this out, bend that up, round out the end, and we'll pull that in and then down towards the back of the head. Now from here, we're going to step up, overlap the head, going out and then down. Curve the bottom of the head, coming down and then in towards the neck. Now from here, we're going to work our way down towards the right arm. From the bottom of the head, we'll step up, curve down and then out. And we'll overlap the shoulder. Stepping in, draw a straight angled line. Let's round out the side of the arm, curving down and then out towards the elbow. And then we'll round out the forearm, going out and then bending that down. Let's add the socket for the claws. Starting from the outside, we're going to curve up and then down. And do that 2 more times, coming towards the inside of the forearm. And then from the inside, curve the forearm going up, bending that out towards the elbow. Step down, curve the arm going up, and then back in towards the body. Now we're going to go back down and finish off the claws. Starting from the outside, curve this down and then out. Pull this up and in towards that center point. Now we're going to draw 2 more claws curving in the opposite direction. Just pull that back up. We'll do that 1 more time. Now the back side of the body will get tucked in underneath the arm. Starting from the top, we'll step over, curve the body going out, and then down towards the right leg. And then we'll round out the thigh, curving this out, bending that in. I'm just going to curve this down and out towards the outside claw. And now I'll add 3 sockets for the bottom of the foot. Starting from the outside, curve this up and then down. And draw a short line coming in towards the second claw. Draw another socket going up and then down. We'll do that 1 more time. From the inside of the foot, curve this up and then in towards the ankle. Now we're going to round out the thigh, curving in, up, and then bending that out. Now we're going to go back down and finish off the claws. Starting from the outside, curve this out and then down. Pull this up and in. Let's add in the second claw. Coming down and in towards the middle. Curve out and then up. And we'll add one more. Let's go back up to the top and draw the front of the neck. Starting right here, curve this in and then out towards the shoulder. Now leave a gap underneath the neck and draw the side of the body. We're going to step down, curve the body going out, round out the belly, just pull that in towards the inside of the right leg. Let's place that trim in the center of the body. Starting from the outside, I'm going to curve this up, bend this out, and then down in behind the inside of the right thigh. Now we're going to take that same arm and flip it over on the left side. Starting from the base of the neck, draw a short angle line coming down, and bend the arm going out towards the elbow. And then we'll round out the forearm, curving out and then down. Let's add in those 3 sockets, curving up and then down. And we'll do that 2 more times. Let's round up the inside of the forearm, curving in and then out. And step down, curve the arm going up and in behind the body. And now we're going to add in the claws. Starting from the outside, curve this down and in. Pull it back up towards the top. Draw another one coming down. Now the inside claw, we're going to curve in the opposite direction. Now we tuck the left leg in behind the body. Let's start along the bottom on the left side. Curve this out and then down. Curve this in and then down towards the heel. Let's round out the bottom of the foot. Curve this down and then up towards the first claw. Just draw on the first claw, going up, hooking that down, and we'll taper that back in towards the bottom of the foot. Let's layer 2 more claws in behind. Starting from the top, curve up and then down, tuck that in behind, and do that 1 more time. Let's go to the top of the last claw, curve the foot going in and then up, and then we'll round out the knee, going out and then up, curve the thigh going up and bending that in towards the side of the body. Now you want to continue the curve of the body over on the right side of the leg going up towards the end of the tail. So we're just going to line this up, curve this out, and then bend that up. Then from here we draw a short line coming in. Now the tail is going to get wider as we come back in towards the side of the leg. Let's add a trim along the bottom of the tail. We're going to step up, just follow that same curve, and just taper this out towards the side. And then the final part of this lesson is adding that flame along the end of the tail. Starting from the left side, curve this out, bending that in, pull that back out towards the end, and then we'll taper that in with a short line. And we'll work our way up towards the top, curving out and over towards the right. Just going to curl this around, coming down and then up, come around and then back in. Let's round up the inside, going back up to another point. Pull this down and in towards the right side of the tail. And that's pretty much it. There's Charmeleon from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.